Lucky Leo loves this new snow that we just got. And he loves his stick. What do you got, Leo? Hi, Lucky Leo. Is it frozen? Fetch! Hand! Must be froze. There, he's trying. Come on, Lucky Leo! Put it in my hand. Bring it here. Bring it here, Leo. Fetch! Come! Come! It's just a little stick. Come on, Lucky Leo. Bring it here. Fetch! Hand. Hand. Gotta get him a little disturbed. Bring it here, Leo. Put it in my hand. Come on. Bring it here. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Bring it here. Good boy. Release. Release. Sit. Speak. Okay. No. 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 Okay, get it. I didn't want to kill the poor dog. He just has a blast. What do you got, Leo? Fetch! Fetch! Bring it here! Come on! Good neck muscles. Good boy! Good boy! You got only part of it left. Good boy! Leo, speak! Hey! Leo! He's way too excited. He loves his toy. Well, happy Halloween from New Berlin, Wisconsin. Lucky Leo, the adventures of...